So it stopped on me for whatever reason. Well, my storage ran out. Now my battery's running low. Wonderful. But yeah. So we found some blue jay feathers, and I found some more. This is one of them. They're magnificent. Also, I don't know what that was. Uh, I'm in the process. Well, I'm making all kinds of shit. I'm making arrowhead pendants from calcite quartz. Um, uh, dream catchers. The first two that I did random feathers. You know, I mean they weren't random. They were on there for a purpose. Uh, but this time, this one I'm going to so many birds around. I'm squirreling out. uh, I want. Well, the one I have laid out right now is the middle is going to be all mourning dove tail feathers, uh, wings and breast feathers, and that'll be in the middle. And then I want to do all blue jay on the left and all cardinal on the right. I think it'll be pretty. Or I might actually just end up doing all mourning dove. I don't know. Possibilities are endless, and I have enough supplies. Probably to make 30 or 40. Uh, yeah, it's starting to get a little bit chilly, and I realized it's almost 6 o'clock. I need to go up and make sure my youngest son ain't like up here sitting or looking for me, because he went to the park with his friend, and I said just have him ride up or something after it's done, or let me know. And yeah, I'm pretty well disconnected. I don't even have phone service. I use Wi-Fi, and I really don't like taking my phone out here with me because it just it disrupts the whole shit. Uh, I mean, it's still magnificent and beautiful, and I love being out in the woods and nature no matter what. And like, it's so green. Oh, it's getting chilly though, like I said. I'm lucky enough that I don't have to go very far, like 200 yards from my my place. Oh fuck! I about ate shit. I don't know why it's so damn difficult. I guess I pulled some logs and stuff out earlier, dead trees, and kicked up some dirt, so that's probably why I slipped and fell. It's like there's nature, there's civilization. This is my tree sanctuary. I hung up a soot thing. Something's been eating it. I like to come out here. Me and my son will look for feathers under here, under the tree. And then I put a bench here. It's awesome to come out here and sit. You can have birds coming right beside you. They come everywhere. That doesn't sound good. But here's a feather. It's been out here for a minute. And it looks like a junco. Yep. somebody about the last week, they're like, how do you know all these birds? And I'm like, well, I research them. It's pretty awesome though. Oh man, I need to get a sweatshirt. I need to rake this stuff up under here too. There hasn't been many feathers under the tree yet this year. And the ones that have been, they're all pretty well mutilated. And there's usually ones under the bushes. Or even in them. But yeah. That's the outer doors. I gotta get my sweatshirt like I said, so I hope you all had a good day, and I hope you all have a good evening. Oh. Whoa. Holy shit. I totally just freaking ran right into the door, and it hit me on the ass on the way in. I love you, Tammy.